as 2027 draws closer. The political temperature in Anambra is slowly rising. Behind the calm speeches and handshake photos lies a silent chessboard, where every move counts. Old rivals are watching, new players are emerging, and the question every political mind is asking is simple: who will lead Anambra's next chapter? Every political era in Anambra tells a different story. From Ngige's firebrand populism, to Peter Obi's discipline and prudence, to Obiano's continuity and urbanization, and now Soludo's technocratic style. Each governor has left a footprint. But the real beauty of Anambra politics is in its independence. No one holds power forever. The people always decide who stays and who goes. For Governor Charles Soludo, 2027 will be a defining year. His reforms, road projects, and economic blueprints are bold, but are they enough to secure him another term? Many believe Soludo's biggest challenge isn't opposition parties, it's public perception. Anambra people are politically sharp. They analyze results, not grammar. They ask, have we seen progress, not have we had promises? In the background, opposition forces are quietly regrouping. The PDP is rebuilding its old network, hoping to reclaim the state it once ruled. The APC is banking on federal influence and promises of bigger political alignment. Meanwhile, the Labour Party is riding on the emotional wave of Peter Obi's national movement, a powerful force that could shape Anambra's 2027 map. The stage is being set, not with noise, but with strategic alignment and quiet deals. But beyond all the posters and party flags, the real power lies with the people. Ndi Anambra are not emotional voters, they are analytical. They don't vote based on tribe or noise, but based on credibility and performance. That's why any candidate planning for 2027 must understand this one truth: you can't deceive an Anambra voter twice. Political observers are already mentioning names, from old heavyweights to rising technocrats and youth voices. But the truth is, 2027 won't just be about who contests. It will be about what they represent. Anambra wants progress, stability, and innovation, not empty drama. Whoever carries that message sincerely will command the people's trust. As the countdown to 2027 begins, one thing is certain: Anambra's political story is never predictable, but always intelligent. The battle ahead won't just be for votes, it will be for vision, because whoever wins must understand, in Anambra, leadership is not given, it's earned.